If you are learning about trading tools like 3Commas to leverage and improve your trading, I'm about to save you 2 years of your life. I turned $1,700 into over 35 grand in about 3 to 4 months using 3Commas with the very simple process that I'm gonna show you in this video. It's only gonna take me about 5 minutes to break this down. So if you don't even have 5 minutes to invest in yourself, then you probably shouldn't even be investing. Go watch a cat video. So the 80-20 rule says that 80% of our results come from only 20% of our efforts. The most common problem with trading, however, is that we end up focusing on 80% of our efforts on things that only bring us 20% of the results. Think like, which indicator should I use? Let me change my strategy. Let me find the new hot trending ticker for a crypto or stock or whatever, when all you need is a simple process, a simple system, and system stands for saving yourself time, energy, and money, because at the end of the day, we're here to make money and live a free life. And that is why I love this system, because you can just trade blue chip stocks, keep it simple, and still make good money. You don't have to risk losing a lot of money. This is just a simple approach, and I'm going to show you right here, right now, in this video, using the Smart Trade feature on 3Commas. This is hands down my favorite tool to trade crypto. They are tokenizing stocks. You can already trade stocks on Coinbase and Kraken, but it is not yet tokenized or whatever. But I'm imagining at some point in the future, it's going to be awesome and amazing to trade stocks from 3Commas as well. And I'm really hoping that'll happen in the near future. But let's look at the platform here. Starting with the top, we can see a drop down to switch between our exchanges, our connected exchanges. So again, in this video, I'm just talking about how to use the Smart Trade feature. And we're going to do a quick walkthrough through this. And right here, you should have already connected your accounts. If you haven't, you pretty much start in the dashboard once you create an account here on 3Commas, and you should already have a Coinbase or a Kraken account. You'll go here, click Exchange, Connect Exchange, and then you'll click whatever exchange you are using. You can click Kraken Spot, for example, and then they have a Fast Connect feature now, so that you don't have to get API keys or whatever. You can just log in directly to Kraken from this app right here in 3Commas, and then your account will be connected to 3Commas. Your Kraken account will be connected to 3Commas. Now, back to the Smart Trade terminal. Again, we have 3 drop downs here. You could switch between your exchanges. You could switch between markets. So like, for example, I'm on Kraken. I could look at USD markets. So that would mean any crypto token like Tron, BNB, Hyperliquid, valued and paired with US dollar. But you can also look at other markets paired with BTC, for example, or ETH, which are great pairs, in my opinion, to also trade too, because when you lock in a gain, you're locking in a gain in BTC, or you're locking in a gain in ETH. And ideally, that is what you really want long term. You want to build the assets that you're holding long term. So those are the 3 drop downs, one for the trading pair, one for the markets that you're paired with. And so in this example, we're going to use USD. I have some money deposited here on Kraken. We have the exchange drop down, and then we have a watch list part right here. So pretty much you can search for whatever crypto that you are bullish on. So for example, I like Aave. I'll go ahead and just click the star icon, and then it will then be added to our watch list right here. So this lets you just simply switch between the different charts for the different tickers here in your watch list, okay? So simple, quick, and easy. And these are the actual prices of, for example, Hyperliquid on Kraken. And you can place the orders for Hyperliquid and Kraken here in the Smart Trade terminal. So moving on, we have a basic trading view window right here. So that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure most people are familiar with using trading view. And we also have the order book information right here. So for example, Hyperliquid is trading at just under $73. So we can see all the buy orders under $73, as well as all the sell orders above $73, just so that you can have an idea of the buyers and sellers in the market. Now, moving on down to the most important part of the Smart Trade Terminal, we have 3 sections here. We have the section where you place your order and build your order, the section where you set your take profit, and the section where you can set a stop loss. But I rarely use this, and I'll explain right now. So with my approach to how I trade using 3Commas, what I do is a very simple routine. I'm going to make sure I don't pick one that I already have an open order for. We're going to create a brand new open order right here on this video. So we have orders for Hype, Near, Tron already, okay? So let's see what other ticker has run recently. I think XLM, yep, has been on a run. So we're gonna use that. Here's this simple KISS, keep it simple, stupid approach to the market, okay? You find something that's in a clear uptrend. So we have a super strong breakout on XLM. It's breaking resistance levels and it's forming a bull flag. Now, that's step 1. Find something that's in a clear uptrend or starting to get into a clear uptrend. Step 2 is look for levels below that because my entries, ideally, I want them to be other people's stop losses. I'm not gonna FOMO in right here, and I'm not gonna buy a breakout because in my opinion, it's a worse entry. All we do is buy dips and sell rips, okay? So I'm gonna set a conditional limit order below the current market price. And probably a good place that I'm looking at is right here in this fair value gap, which also aligns with this prior resistance level along with a moving average in the middle of this Bollinger Band. So we got 3 things lining up right here on the chart in confluence to say, okay, this right here might be a good level of support, AKA a good place to enter. So we are looking at 180.1852. We'll just call it 0.1852. Okay, that is the price that I will want to enter at. So let's go ahead and type that in. The buy price I want to enter at is 0.1852. Okay, so walking through the different parts of this section right here where you're gonna build your order, we are gonna set a conditional limit order. So what this means is, in this example, we picked 1852 as an important price level. So our conditional limit order, that means if price comes back down to 1852, 3Commas is then gonna trigger an order to be placed on Kraken for your crypto exchange. So if 1852 gets hit, I wanna place an order at 1851 using about $400. And that would get me 2160 XLM. So that is this section right here to build your trade. We have conditional, we have market orders. So obviously you probably know what market order means, but that means just buying the asset at the current price right now. And then we also have basic limit orders, but I do not use these 2 order types right here because the beauty of 3Commas is this conditional limit order that most exchanges don't have. And again, another benefit of this is if you have a smaller account like we're working with right here, you could set up this same trade across 10 different tickers and the money will not be deployed until one of the 10 meets your criteria. So you basically have access to more trade opportunities. Traditionally, you would have to go on Kraken, put that $400 as a limit order on the book. So that means that money is locked up on that one trade idea. Whereas this right here, you can look up to 10 to 50 different trade ideas with the same resources that you have in your account. Now, moving on to the set take profit feature. This right here is pretty self-explanatory. You can set the take profit here on the chart by grabbing the bar, the line, and moving it up and down, as well as you can just type it in right here. We'll say 26.26. So just a little bit above the current price. Now, what I do here with this take profit area is I set a trailing take profit. And so here's what that looks like. We have our take profit set at 0.26, okay? We have the trailing order set at minus 5%. So that means if the price moves back up to 26 cents, 3Commas is going to trigger a little line that's 5% below that price at 0.26. And if price moves up, that little line is going to move up. If price keeps moving up more, that line is going to continue to follow it up 5% behind wherever that price goes. And if price moves back down, then it's going to place a market order on your exchange. So you theoretically could lock in more gains. So in this case, if I thought that I want to take profit at 26, but it actually ends up continuing to run and blow past that, I don't have to just be capped at 0.26, but I can ride that trade up a lot further and longer. And then the stop loss feature is right here. It's pretty much going to be the same as take profit. So you could bracket your orders. You have an entry right here. You could have a stop loss here and your take profit. But I don't use that because this is what I normally do. I wait for the order to get filled, and then I wait for it to go back up. And if it moves at least 5 or 10% in my direction, then I set a stop loss, so that my stop loss will at worst still lock in some kind of small gains. And if for some crazy reason price just blows past my entry, I also don't mind holding it long term, because again, we're trading blue chips. We're not trading meme coins or the next fancy fad trending token or whatever. So this is something that I wouldn't mind holding long term. And also these cryptos right here, like XLM, they have yield on Kraken. So that's why I use Kraken instead of Coinbase. So if I got triggered and filled on an order for XLM and it ended up going back down to 15 cents, for example, and it stayed there for the next 2 months, it's actually going to be fine with me, because I'll still be earning yield on that XLM, and then I'll just lock it in as it moves back up later on in the future. So that is a walkthrough on how to use the Smart Trade terminal. You pretty much saw everything right here. I'm going to go ahead and set this trade off. So we will have a trade right here on the video. Now, if you found this useful, go ahead and look at the link in my description or in the comments. I have a Skool community. I'm looking to build a group of people together so that we can all talk about crypto, trading, and especially 3Commas. Because in real life, I don't really have any friends to talk about crypto and trading with. So if you watching this like crypto or trading bots or whatever, click the link in my description or in the comments or whatever, and go ahead and join the group and say what's up. I would be happy to have you there. Have a good day.